Ladies and gentlemen, Greg McCloskey from ForexLive.com. Today's date is November 8th, 2023. This is a Forex quick look. I'm going to take a look at the dollar versus Canada. When you talk about the dollar versus Canada, you have to keep an eye on the price of oil. And what have we seen? This is a daily chart of oil, and we've seen a sharp move to the downside. The low price in trading here today got down below the $76 level at $75.92-ish type cents. We're currently back up trading at $76.55, but we also, in trading yesterday, moved below the 200-day moving average. That's the green line in this chart, and that is more bearish for the price of oil, and that level currently comes in at $78.13. So what does that have? What impact does that have on the dollar versus Canada? Well, we see a rotation to the upside. That means the Canadian dollar gets weaker as the price of oil prices get low. Goes lower because they are, an oil producer, and they tend to export oil, so that happens to weaken their currency. Just generally, sometimes it doesn't work, sometimes it does. But what we've seen over the last 3 days, as oil prices move down, was a steady rise to the upside here. Today's rise is a little bit less because the price of oil moving to the downside has been a little bit less. Yesterday we had a big move down lower, and we saw a bigger move to the upside in the dollar versus Canada. Now, technically, what are we talking about? Well, technically, we moved above the this swing area here yesterday in trading. This swing area comes between the 137.35 and 137.43. There are a number of different swing highs coming in through here, forming this ceiling here, and then we traded above and below the ceiling here as the market digested what it wanted to do next, decided that it's time to go higher, and that's indeed what the price did. We moved back down toward the swing area right through here, so a modest bounce, and then did the same type of dance around this swing area right here before deciding to move lower. And in trading yesterday, the price moved up into this swing area, broke above it, also broke above the 100-hour moving average, and then did this. It came right back down to the low of the swing area, found support buyers near that level, and then started to trade above the 100-hour moving average, finding support, moving higher. And in trading here today, we're seeing an increase of momentum to the upside here, but we are running into some resistance around the 200-hour moving average. Maybe we're doing the dance around the technical level at 137.87. We're going to need to get and stay above that level. Also, the 61.8% retracement at 137.95 to increase the bullish bias on the top side. We do have this double bottom through here where we did try to find support, I guess, after moving higher here. Support, moved higher, came down to that level and broke below it, tried to break back above it right through here, but couldn't do it and rotated to the downside. So this area up near the 138.13 would be the next key target to get to and through. If we do, then we're in the extreme type area right through here where the price traded mostly to the upside before rotating back to the downside. So buyers are continuing to make a play. The question is, does oil continue to move to the downside, or do we see some sort of corrective move in that? And in which case, we'll see more price action below the 200-hour moving average, and then maybe move down toward the 137.63. Or does oil prices continue to move to the downside and continue to push this price up toward the 138.13 level? That's the trading technicals for the dollar versus Canada. My name is Greg McCloskey. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.